I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by testing a solvent on a hidden spot to avoid damage. Use a hair dryer to warm the adhesive for about 60 to 90 seconds. Heat softens the glue and reduces scraping. Then apply a solvent, olive oil, rubbing alcohol, or a citrus-based commercial remover. Soak the edge for a minute. You want the glue tacky, not brittle, which lets you lift without gouging. Once the adhesive loosens, start peeling a corner slowly with fingernail or plastic scraper. After you've lifted a corner, continue peeling at a low angle to minimize surface stress. Sharp angles tear, slow motion preserves finish. For stubborn patches, reapply solvent and wait 30-60 seconds so the adhesive breaks down further. Patience breaks bonds. Use a plastic scraper or old credit card to push beneath residue while you pull. Move to a microfiber cloth to blot dissolved glue. Blotting lifts residue, whereas smearing spreads it. Make sure to switch solvent. Once the bulk is gone, wash the area with warm soapy water to remove solvent traces and softened adhesive, then dry completely to inspect the finish. If the surface is delicate, finish with the manufacturer-approved polish or wax to restore luster. If you notice discoloration, swelling, or finish loss, stop immediately. Try a gentler approach like oil followed by soap, or consult a professional. A key troubleshooting tip: if scraping scratches the surface, switch to prolonged solvent soak rather than more forceful scraping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.